Today we're going to be making saltine cracker bars. First I need to make sure I wash my hands. I also need to make sure my hair is up so none of my hair gets in my food. Okay, first we will line the cookie sheet with aluminum foil. We need 1 sleeve of saltine cracker bars, and we're going to use this to line the cookie sheet. There's about 40 saltine crackers in a sleeve, so this makes about 40 servings per recipe. We need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a saucepan, we're going to mix 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to bring this to a boil and stir constantly for 2 minutes. This process is called caramelizing. You need to constantly stir them together to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Mixture gets like this, you want to make sure you stir it constantly for 2 minutes. It's very fluffy and bubbly. This is what the mixture should look like. We're going to pour this boiling butter sugar mixture over the saltine cracker bars. Caramelized butter and sugar can be very hard to clean once it's hardened, so we need to make sure we put it into hot water with soap. We then need to make sure to spread out the caramelized sugar and butter evenly on the saltine crackers. Then we're going to put the saltine crackers and butter and sugar in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is what the saltine cracker bars should look like before you take them out. They should be bubbling and kind of like a golden brown color. We'll let the bubbles go down and let it cool down a little before we put the chocolate on the top. We're now going to sprinkle this with an entire bag of chocolate chips. For milk chocolate chips, but I'm going to use dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a healthier substitute for milk chocolate. There's less added sugar and fat in dark chocolate. Also, dark chocolate contains more original cocoa bean, which is a good source of flavonoids, which are an antioxidant. The antioxidants lower your blood pressure and enhance the power of vitamin C. We're going to spread this dark chocolate out until it's all melted and even. This is going to go into the freezer until they are hard so that you can break them into pieces when they are done. Now that the saltine cracker bars are frozen, you're going to crack it into a bunch of pieces. And you need to make sure that none of the tin foil from before gets onto the saltine cracker. And that is how you make saltine cracker bars.